Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make potato salad with sour cream. First, select and prepare your potatoes carefully. Next, we'll craft a rich and tangy sour cream dressing. Finally, we'll combine everything and chill it to perfection. This method ensures a consistently delicious and creamy potato salad every time, perfect for any gathering or meal. For the best texture, choose waxy potatoes such as Yukon Gold or red potatoes. Wash them thoroughly, then cut them into uniform 1-inch pieces. Boil these in generously salted water until they are just fork tender, ensuring they don't become mushy. Once cooked, drain the potatoes well and let them cool completely. This step is crucial for preventing a watery salad. Now let's create that irresistible dressing. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of full-fat sour cream. Stir in 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for a delightful tang, and add 1/4 cup of fresh, finely chopped dill. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of paprika. Mix everything until it's smooth and well combined. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Gently fold the completely cooled potatoes into your creamy sour cream dressing. For added texture and flavor, incorporate 1/2 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 roughly chopped hard-boiled eggs. Mix carefully to avoid mashing the potatoes. Cover the salad and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.